This is very cool. 3D printed in one. This is 3D printed alone, but this one is 3D printed in one go. This is pretty amazing. It's 3 rings that is finished together out of the 3D printer. 3 rings with it's just amazing. And you put this in here, and the idea is that it will you can put this on the drilling machine or an engine, and then you have a hole in the table with a shaft down to the engine on the underside of the table, and then this will this here will spin, and this will just rotate. This will just rotate like that. It's pretty amazing. So it's really amazing what a 3D printer can do. I have 3 3D printers. Over there is one. That small one there is a resin 3D printer. So, but anyway, it's amazing what you can do with a 3D printer. It's just amazing. Goes into itself, around itself. 3 rings. It's amazing. So one ring, is one ring, and they are not put in place afterwards. Everything, this is printed in one part except for this in the center, as I already said. It's pretty but I used approx 2 hours just to clean out the support. It was a little bit hard to do, and then I have been here with sandpaper afterwards, and I also put it in acetone just to try to smooth out the surface. But this is PLA, so PLA and acetone doesn't go very well together. It makes it a little bit rubbish, a rubber feeling to it. But if you wait long enough, like many weeks, it will get hard again. So, but it helped a little bit on the surface. It helped a little bit. So my plan is to, as just as a pretty cool thing to have on the table, I will put this on an engine that rotates slowly. A hole in the table, that this is a shaft there that is run by an engine, and it will rotate slowly, and then this will just go into itself all the time like this. It will rotate, and I have to print something under to keep this from spinning around. It's not supposed to spin around. It is supposed to glide, stand still and glide, and then just cog into itself all the time. So, wow, cool. amazing thing.